How does loud noise damage even tough hearing? Imagine your ears as delicate machinery designed to handle a wide range of sounds. Even the toughest hearing can be vulnerable when exposed to loud noise. When you hear a loud sound, like a concert or construction site, it's not just uncomfortable, it can cause real damage inside your ear. The inner ear contains tiny structures called hair cells, which are essential for turning sound vibrations into signals your brain understands. These hair cells are incredibly sensitive and do not grow back once they are damaged. That means once they are harmed, the loss is permanent. Loud noises, especially those above 85 decibels, cause a lot of energy to hit the cochlea, which is the part of the inner ear responsible for hearing. This energy causes vibrations in the fluids inside the cochlea, called perilymph and endolymph. These vibrations exert strong forces on a part called the basilar membrane and the hair cells attached to it. The tiny hair-like projections on these cells, called cilia, can be knocked loose or damaged by this force. When the cilia are damaged or lost, the hair cells cannot detect sound vibrations properly, making it harder to hear clearly. Damage isn't limited to just the hair cells. The supporting cells that keep the cochlea in shape can also be harmed. This disruption affects how well the ear transmits sound signals to the brain. The damage can also interfere with ribbon synapses, which are tiny structures that help send signals from hair cells to nerve fibers. When these synapses are damaged, it becomes difficult to process sounds, especially speech in noisy places. Loud noise doesn't just cause mechanical injury. It also triggers biological responses that harm the ear. Blood flow to the cochlea can be reduced, causing stress and inflammation. Reactive oxygen species, which are harmful molecules, can build up and damage cells through a process called oxidative stress. Overstimulation of the nerve pathways can cause excitotoxicity, leading to cell death. These processes can cause the hair cells to undergo apoptosis, a form of programmed cell death, which is permanent because human hair cells do not regenerate. The extent of damage depends on how loud the noise is, how long you are exposed, and your individual ear characteristics. Even short bursts of very loud noise, like fireworks or gunfire, can cause immediate damage. Prolonged exposure to loud noise, such as working in a noisy factory for hours, can also cause permanent hearing loss. Sometimes, hearing might seem temporarily worse after noise exposure, known as a temporary threshold shift, but repeated exposure can lead to permanent damage. In essence, loud noise damages even the toughest hearing by physically disrupting the tiny hair cells and their supporting structures. It hampers the ear's ability to transmit sound signals effectively and triggers harmful biological responses that lead to cell death. Protecting your hearing by avoiding excessive noise, using ear protection, and keeping volume levels in check is essential to preserve this delicate and vital sensory system. Always consult a healthcare professional if you experience hearing changes or concerns about noise exposure.